Okay, I'm going to attempt to change the way this door opens. I need this on that side. So we've had a little play with it the other day, and I learned something about these. Now, I've done quite a few of these, so I usually know my way around. But what confused me was my brain got stuck. Can you see this? This is what tells you what lock, how the key works. And I thought for some reason it would be 1, 2, 3, or 3, 2, 1. So it's 2, 1, 3, or 1, 2, 3. It could be 1, 2, 3, but it's more likely going to be 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, or something like that. So I had that all screwed up. Now what I just got to do, take the pressure off that. I just want to try and keep everything nice and tight. So I'm going to take that out, flip that over. This has to go underneath now. This has to go back in there on that hook. I'm kind of holding these things in here so they don't fly out. That's got a little hook on there. Okay, that's there now. This goes in like this, but it has to be underneath. So I've got to figure out how to get that in the right place, which is underneath there, like that. So that goes in there, and that goes back on, and that clicks on that arm there. So now what I'm looking at, I think I can do this with it closed so it doesn't fly apart. I don't lose the combinations on those things. So you got to remember what order those things are in when you do it. Now I come over here, and I can see that spring is there, and it has to be behind that. So if I can just get that to lever on there, job done. Now I'll just have to go get the key real quick. Okay, that works nicely. Now that's on the other side now, and I can kind of fiddle with the with that line up on top that I was talking about. Now that's that line there, hopefully, or I'll have to adjust the clear blue skies. I'll have to adjust the door frame to make sure this door closes. I'm gonna have to go back and adjust that other one so there's no gap.